Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to change the color of an image in Affinity. So let's get started. Now, once you have your project open in Affinity, you want to make sure you've already placed the image you want added. But if you need to add a new one, just go ahead and click File, then choose Place, then choose the image you want to place, then place it wherever you want it to. Then you want to make sure that you have selected the image. And then you want to look at the right side of the window and you want to make sure you're under color tab. And look at right here. From here, you can already change the color of the image. That's it. Super quick and easy. That's how you change the color of images in Affinity. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.